So I've got these recipes here listed in alphabetical order, and I would like to sort them by the ones that contain oatmeal, as here we see there and so forth. So what I'll do first is select that column, head over to the conditional formatting and choose conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains, type oatmeal. Here we can select whichever color you like. And that's awesome. Once we're done with that, we can right click on a colored cell and do sort by selected cell color on top. And just like that, that can rearrange it. Okay. Similarly, let's say I want to find all the email addresses that have acme.com on it. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains Acme. Perfect. Right click, sort the selected cell color on top. Another example that I have here is we've got these states with colons after it, but every now and then we have a little dash in there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is do another conditional formatting by text that contains and type a dash. Okay. And then what's neat is I could go in and replace it manually. And as I do that, it might be easier just to go in like that. And what that does is it just eliminates that. Take care of that. So those are 3 examples of using conditional formatting where you select the text, go in, you choose highlight cell rules, select text that contains. Thanks for watching.